Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll act now. Confirm your desktop or external monitor supports software brightness control and make sure it's powered. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Display. If you prefer a faster route, click the Action Center icon at the far right of the taskbar and look for the brightness slider. Make sure Windows detects your display. If it doesn't, reconnect the cable or power cycle the monitor. This ensures the next steps will actually change the screen output. You now adjust the level. In Display Settings, drag the brightness slider to set a value between 0 and 100%. Do this slowly. Small shifts can reduce eye strain. Make sure to enable night light if you want warmer color in the evening, and schedule it for sunset to sunrise. If the slider is missing, open Advanced Display Settings, then display Adapter Properties, and update or reinstall the monitor driver. This restores control. Once satisfied, test with a white background to verify perceived brightness. Finish by saving your preference and using the Action Center for quick changes later. If brightness fluctuates or the slider reappears missing, update the graphics driver through Device Manager or the manufacturer's app. Drivers often fix control issues. For external screens, check the monitor's onboard menu and firmware. Sometimes the monitor overrides Windows. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the video cable or try a different port. A faulty HDMI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.